Your AI training app doesn't care if you get faster. It only cares if you complete the workout, and that distinction is exactly why blind adherence leads to a performance plateau after 12 weeks. Most athletes believe adaptive training algorithms like TrainerRoad or Xert use complex physiological modeling to predict fitness. In reality, they are primarily simple servo mechanisms running a binary logic loop. If you hit your power targets, the AI increases the difficulty of the next session. If you fail, it dials it back. This creates a relentless ramp rate that works perfectly in a vacuum, but fails in the real world. The problem isn't the workout. It's how the AI measures progress. It decouples your fitness into distinct progression levels, separating your VO2 max ability from your endurance ability. This granular tracking is brilliant, but here is the twist that ruins seasons. The algorithm assumes that a failed workout equals a lack of fitness. It cannot calculate the invisible variable that actually governs adaptation. Your total capacity isn't just training stress. It's the sum of life stress and biological recovery. The algorithm sees the missed watts, but it doesn't see your poor sleep or work deadline, leading it to prescribe easier workouts when you actually need rest. To fix this, we must separate the roles. Use AI for micro-optimization, adjusting specific interval intensities day to day. But you must retain macro strategy control, manually scheduling recovery weeks regardless of what the machine suggests. Master the algorithm, don't let it master you.